Okay, so for Stitch with Google, it's a design AI design platform developed by Google. So once you search for Stitch with Google on your browser, so you just need to click on this, and once you sign up or sign in, it's going to take you here. So as you can see, these are some of the designs I've done using this platform. It's so amazing. Okay, so here, you after you sign up and sign in into your account, you can see this is my account. You can manage account, you can check out the settings, switch account or sign out. Okay, then at the top here you can see read documentation, so you could check out the doc on how you get started with the prompts, the design guides, and everything you need to get started with Stitch. Okay, so what you need to do once you enter, you can search for your project or create a new one. So at the bottom here you could see that we have app version and the desktop web version. Okay, so you can also come here and change your model. Okay, this is Flash. You have thinking with 3.1 Pro, design, and ideate. Okay, so there are different models you can pick from. Again, you can, like I said, the app version and the web version. So let's try out something. I'll show you what a social feed. Let's try this. So once you do this, you can check either you are doing designing for app or web. Okay, let's just try for web for now. So you hit this. So it's going to take some time, so seconds, and you can see is going to start sketching out that design. Okay, make it pixels, so you have to wait. So let's hold on for that while we check out what we have already here. So you could see that I already designed some stuff like this pharmacy management system with some prompts which you can see them, right? Different prompts to get the design up to speed. Okay, again, we have others like homepage, quiz question app. Okay, let's just have a look at this one. So this is a quiz question app, so you can zoom on it, you can check it out, you can target this, modify. You can see this is the welcome page as is under here, so you could change the color, change the alignment or the color, whatever. You can just enter that and it's going to do that modification for you. Then when you are done, you could export your design. So yeah, you select what you want to export, you click on export. So it's going to ask you how you want to export it. Is it as a zip, Figma, or you could export to clipboard. So you choose any particular pattern you want to export with. Okay, so again at the right hand corner here, you could see this one is to mark your designs. So again, this is an edit, a direct edit. You can edit with that. Okay, so edit text. So once you click on this edit, type out the text. So basically that is how it works. It's very nice, it's interesting, and I believe you should try this out, right? So there are a lot of stuff you could do. Then let's check out the project we're generating. Awesome. So you could see that with this prompt you can you see this prompt, you just enter it and it's going to give you this beautiful UI. Okay, yeah, that's just to get started with our Stitch. Again, you could see we can regenerate, mobile, predict. So they keep adding more features. Okay, as at the time I made my first video on Stitch, it was not as compounded, it was not as improved as this, but right now they are adding more feature and it's getting better day by day. So it's something you really have to try out. So thank you guys.